Apple's Vision Pro. First mixed reality headset with 3D camera, starting at $3,499. Apple just announced its first major new product since 2015. Introducing the groundbreaking AR headset, Apple Vision Pro. Here's some of its most amazing features. As said by Tim Cook, the Chief Executive Officer of Apple, it's the first Apple product you look through, and not at. Vision Pro is a new kind of computer that seamlessly blends the real world with the digital world. You're no longer limited by a display, as your surroundings are now a limitless canvas. Natural intuitive controls. Unlike other VR, AR headsets that require handheld remotes to operate, Vision Pro is completely controlled by your eyes, hands, and voice. You can bring your Mac wirelessly into your Vision Pro just by looking at it. This allows you to expand your display size to as big as you want, with incredible 4K display. An extraordinary entertainment experience. Vision Pro will allow you to transform any room into your own personal movie theater. Spatial Cinema will automatically dim surrounding light and lets you expand your display to any size. Apple's first ever 3D camera. Vision Pro will allow you to capture memories in 3D. This new added depth will make watching old videos feel like you're going back in time and reliving them. The new Vision Pro looks amazing and will change the Apple ecosystem forever. It has a price tag of $3,499 and is set to launch early next year. I'm excited. Are you?